Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Skool and Patreon, two powerful platform creators used to build communities and monetize their audiences. Even though they're both used to gather, grow and monetize a community, they serve very different purposes. So in this video, let's see which is the best community builder in 2025. We'll start with Skool. Skool is an all-in-one community and course and membership platform that is built for creators who want structure. Its whole purpose is to give you a clean, simple home where you can host your course, manage your community, run challenges, run cohort programs, and stream live sessions, all in the same place. Skool focuses heavily on engaged learning communities, so it's extremely popular among coaches, educators, consultants, YouTubers who teach, and anyone running a paid membership space. One of Skool's biggest strengths is that everything is organized in a clean dashboard. Your lessons, your community feeds, your calendar, and your members' progress all are tightly integrated. The experience feels like a private modern online school, which is where the name Skool comes from. Now let us talk about Patreon. Patreon, on the other hand, is built primarily as a membership and creator support platform. It's not designed around courses or structured learning, but instead it's meant for creators who want to offer monthly membership tiers to fans. Think of Patreon as a digital fan club where followers support your work through monthly subscriptions in exchange for perks such as exclusive videos, bonus podcast episodes, behind-the-scenes posts, early access content, special community chats, member-only live streams. Patreon is extremely popular among artists, podcasters, musicians, animators, writers, and content creators that produce ongoing creative work, not structured lessons. Now let us talk about the main features in detail. We start with Skool. Built-in courses. You can create full courses with modules and lessons, all accessible to your members. And there's a community feed where you have a clean and organized community area that members can post, they can comment, and they can interact. Gamification as well. That's the leaderboards platform. That's where members can earn points, where they can level up and climb a leaderboard, which is great for engagement. Native video hosting and live streams. You can upload unlimited videos and stream directly inside the platform. And there's also the calendar and the events page where you can schedule calls, you can schedule webinars, classes, workshops. They are all displayed inside the group. The user interface is simple and clear. It is fast and it's distraction free. You have everything you need to have right there on the dashboard. The member management. You can invite members, you can track activity, you can grant access to courses, and you can assign roles and even more. Let's talk about Patreon. Tiered membership system. Yes, you can create multiple subscription levels with different perks. Creator posts and content feed. You can publish videos, audios, live streams, images, polls, and long-form posts. Patreon only access. You can lock content so that only paying members can see it. Membership messaging. You can do DMs, email notifications, and Patreon updates. All of them are built in. And also there's built-in payment processing. You can handle monthly and annual billing automatically on the Patreon platform. There are also add-ons like merchandise. You can offer merchandise fulfillment through Patreon tools. So what is the pricing of both platforms like? Well, for Skool, they run on a simple monthly subscription model. You pay a fixed amount each month for your group, and in return you get unlimited members, unlimited video hosting, community and course tools, live streams, events, and lots more. Patreon also has its own thing with pricing. Starting Patreon is free. That is very true. It is clearly stated on the website, but you only pay when you start earning. You pay a percentage, which is 10% of the income you earn on Patreon. So the more money you make, the more you pay Patreon. Now, what are the pros and cons of these platforms? We start with the pros. For Skool, it is perfect for structured learning programs and communities, and it's very clean, has modern design, unlimited members with video hosting, and is extremely easy to use for both creators and members. It's also an all-in-one community that has courses, community, events, and live streams. And the pros of Patreon? It is free to start and is extremely low friction for new creators. Fans already understand how Patreon works because it's popular, and there are tiered memberships that allow flexible monetization. How about the cons? As regards Skool, if you don't have a big community, then it might be expensive to run because of the monthly costs. And there seems to be less discovery. It is believed that people won't find you on Skool like they might find you on Patreon. What are the cons of Patreon? The fees add up as you grow and is not designed for structured courses. So which is better, Skool or Patreon? Here's where it gets interesting. So let me give you this fact. If you are looking to build a true private community with structured lessons, with challenges, engagement loops, and regular live sessions, then Skool is easily one of the strongest community builders in 2025. But if your product is less about teaching and more about ongoing creative outputs, then Patreon is the better fix. Patreon is less structured, but is more flexible and extremely familiar to fans. So the better one depends on 100% on the type of the creator that you are. And that's it on the comparison between Skool and Patreon. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Circle, Mighty Networks, and Memberful. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.